Want to impress your family with a perfect Thanksgiving dinner? Stick around and we'll show you how. The secret to a flawless feast lies in careful planning and preparation. We'll be guiding you through the process of making the star dishes of the day: a succulent turkey, mouth-watering stuffing, creamy mashed potatoes, and a delectably sweet pumpkin pie. Each dish will be crafted with love and precision, promising a Thanksgiving meal that's bound to be unforgettable. Now, we'll dive into the specifics of each dish to ensure you prepare a meal that's unforgettable. The star of any Thanksgiving meal is, of course, the turkey. So let's get right into the nitty-gritty of turkey preparation. To start, you'll need to choose the right size turkey. A good rule of thumb is 1 pound per person. So for a family of 5, a turkey of around 5 to 7 pounds should suffice. Once you've picked your turkey, it's time to thaw. This process can take a few days in the fridge, so plan accordingly. Now, on to seasoning. A combination of salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs will do the trick. Rub it generously all over the bird and inside the cavity. Then it's time to cook. The general guideline is 15 minutes per pound at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, but always use a meat thermometer to ensure it's done. Aim for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. With these tips, you're on your way to a turkey that's sure to impress. But what's a turkey without some delicious sides? Now let's tackle the sides that will complement your perfect turkey. When it comes to stuffing, it's all about the bread. Go for a sturdy loaf that can hold its own amidst the broth and seasonings. Dice it up, toast it lightly, then toss with a mix of sautéed onions, celery, and herbs. Add in a splash of broth and bake until golden brown. As for the mashed potatoes, choose a starchy variety like russet or Yukon Gold. Boil until tender, then mash with a bit of warm milk and butter for a velvety texture. Don't forget the salt and a sprinkle of fresh ground black pepper for that extra kick. And here's a pro tip: both stuffing and mashed potatoes can be made a day ahead. Just reheat them in the oven before serving. These sides are sure to be a hit, but no Thanksgiving meal is complete without a sweet ending. And now, for the grand finale, pumpkin pie. Our journey towards this sweet delight begins with a buttery, flaky crust. Next, we prepare a filling brimming with the warmth of cinnamon and nutmeg, sweetened by condensed milk, and brought together by the star of the show, pumpkin puree. Into the oven it goes, baking until it sets into a slice of autumn heaven. A dollop of whipped cream to serve, and remember, leftovers can be refrigerated for a treat the next day. And there you have it, a perfect Thanksgiving meal that's sure to impress. And there you have it, a roadmap to preparing a perfect Thanksgiving dinner. Remember, it's not just about the food, but the love you put into it. Enjoy the process, share the meal, and cherish the memories made. Enjoy your culinary journey, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful cooking videos. Happy cooking!